this is all the characteristics of entrepreneurship, not entrepreneur. So process होता है उसमें, entrepreneur involve होता है, innovation होता है, creation, same thing, nothing. Profit, non-profit, profit होगा, growth कैसी हो रही है. So all parameters, these are the characteristics in the sense कि अब आप कोई भी activity कर रहे हो, if you are doing any activity, whether it's a unique, the process is good, whether the entrepreneur is motivated or not, whether it is innovative idea, on which you are working, how you are adding value to this process, so that the cost should be optimized. Profit hoga ki nahi hoga, maybe initially the profit might not be there, but then you have to put all the things from your kitty, or and slowly the profit, it will turn into the profits, right? So there are several companies which starts from negative. A very good example, you can see Zio, right? So they started from negative, right, giving free to everyone. Now they are recently I have just gone through a news, they are into a big profit actually. So starting from negative and then going into the profit. So this all depends how the growth will happen of any entrepreneurship process, right? So these all things we discussed, we know, but just again I'm highlighting because please keep in mind entrepreneurship is a very very tricky process. You should have all the resources in place, and you should know how to combine so that you should invest least and profit should be most. Maybe to start with, in an entrepreneurship process, the cost will be higher, but with the time the cost will come down. You will be keep on innovating your process, you will be keep on monitoring your process, and you will optimize your profits, and you will minimize your losses. So this all is a characteristic of entrepreneurship. And trust me friends, इतना clearly और इतना friendly जो मैंने आपके लिए customize किया है, the reason being it should not become a jargon for you, and you should not lose any interest. So I tried to make it very very simple, because it's not I am here to teach you any MBA subject, that what is entrepreneurship. It's some fundamentals which you can identify, because some of you already doing the and you are going through a startup phase, or you are planning to start a startup. So I tried to make it very simple so that you should not get confused. So in entrepreneurship, the important characteristic is the entrepreneur. Second important is the process, right? And if these are in place, right, you can do a lot of things like innovations, creativity, profit, non-profit, growth. You can also make your process or product unique also. But this process and entrepreneur, and that to be entrepreneur is the most important characteristic of entrepreneurship. जो पर्सन इसको ड्राइव कर रहा है ना, वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, right? So this is very important part. So you should remember it anyhow. This is very very good process, and I liked it because uh, this kind of it's very simple in representation, and it can clear all your fundamentals. Now, so we talked about the entrepreneur, then the entrepreneurship, right? So entrepreneur is a person, entrepreneurship is a process. Now, once you are comfortable with the process, you will go and register a company. So we normally call it enterprise, right? So enterprise, now see the difference, right? Very, very be attentive in this. Enterprise is another word for a profit business, right? Suppose if I say enterprise, it means the company which I formed is meant for the profits only. So we call it a profit enterprise, is a profit business or a profit company, right? A company, now listen it very carefully. A company can be profitable, non-profitable. आपने सुना होगा कई सारे NGOs है, right? So that is also a company. They are also registered themselves, but it is not a profit-making company. Can we call it enterprise? No. Enterprise is the only company which is meant or which is established just to make profits. Maybe initially or start in the starting phase, the profits will be less, right, or negative, but the ultimate agenda or the goal of enterprise is to make profits, right? So it's a profit making entity. So please remember this difference. A company can be profit making or not, non profit making, but enterprise is a profit making company. Hope it is clear. because this words come from entrepreneurship only. So entrepreneurship, right, ma'am. So hope it is meaningful to you.
So can a company can a startup become an enterprise, or should it from the very beginning have a profit?
Yeah.
Margin?
So see, startup is also an enterprise. Startup is also an enterprise, right? So enterprise means what? Why you establish a startup? Because you're not giving. See, if you have agenda, with a startup that you will serve to the nation, serve to society without any making profit, then it will become a company. It will not be an enterprise. But you have started a startup with the intention to make profits. Of course, the you will be giving back to society in some solutions and all. That is different thing. But what is your main agenda? So if your main agenda of your startup is profit, then it is an enterprise. If the main agenda or the long run agenda of or the vision of your company is startup company is to giving to society without making any profit, then it is a company. It is an NGO actually, because you are serving to society without expecting any profits. I'll give examples. To suppose tomorrow if Thought Power, if I go and just give the my workshops free of cost, I don't charge anything. Even somebody is giving, I reject it. Then it is a company. It is not an enterprise. Hope it is clear. If I register a Thought Power and I go and just I make little margins or little profits, then it is a enterprise. It's of course a startup, but it's a startup enterprise. Any doubt, please ask. Don't hesitate. I am here to clarify all doubt. So आपको हमेशा ही क्लियर रखना है कि एंटरप्राइज का मतलब क्या होता है. Profit means enterprise. Company can be enterprise, cannot be enterprise. So कंपनी जो है वो कॉमन है, एंटरप्राइज के लिए भी है और नॉन एंटरप्राइज के लिए भी है. बट अगर मैंने उसको एंटरप्राइज बोल दिया ना स्पेसिफिकली, तो आप ये समझ जाओ कि वो प्रॉफिट के लिए बनी है. Hope it is clear. Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. All clear.
So enterprise matlab profit, company matlab it can be profitable, it cannot be. So enterprise is a subset of company only, but with the profits. कंपनी एक अम्ब्रेला है, उसके अंदर अगर हम एंटरप्राइज को डाल देते हैं और अगर एक नॉन एंटरप्राइज को डाल देते हैं, तो एंटरप्राइज मींस प्रॉफिट और नॉन एंटरप्राइज मींस नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल. इट्स ए एनजीओ, राइट. सो ये वर्ड्स आप हमेशा ध्यान रखिए. मे बी ये बहुत लोगों को कंफ्यूजन होता है, क्लियर नहीं होते कि स्टार्टअप क्या है, कंपनी क्या है. मैं स्टार्टअप पे भी आऊंगा. आई विल कम टू द स्टार्टअप, डोंट वरी. मैं आपको पूरा क्लियर करके आज ये सेशन लीव करूंगा, डोंट वरी ऑन दैट, राइट. सो फर्स्ट थिंग, हमने अभी क्या सीखा कि एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है, उसको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करनी है, उसको एक प्रोसेस फॉलो करना है जहां पे वो लैंड लेबर रिसोर्स को कंबाइन करेगा. और अगर उसको ये चीजें कॉन्फिडेंट, इफ ही इज कॉन्फिडेंट और शी इज कॉन्फिडेंट, then he'll register enterprise if he or she wish to make profits. So that will be enterprise. Hope clear? So this is a journey. The entrepreneur, the entrepreneurship, and the enterprise. Any doubt now? Hope it's very clear. These are the 3 steps in forming any enterprise. So third step is the enterprise. Actually it's an outcome. Same thing we discussed कि entrepreneurship का जो outcome होता है, right, that is enterprise. Good to go? Deep silence.
Yes, sir. You can go ahead.
Yeah, great. So hope it's interesting. It is it is good for you. You're learning something. Sounds good.